hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. So make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, hold tight.
Hi, my name is Puruma Banerjee and I'm here to attend Sweety Roy's workshop here again. And like I said, I'm again attending her workshop, and this is a total different type of workshop I've attended from the previous one. She always puts out new things, amazing tricks for the makeup and for grooming purposes, and I like it very much. And I'm looking forward to attend the next workshop again from Sweety Roy. And thank you for having me here.
Hi, my name is Sweety Roy. I'm an image consultant and a grooming coach. I'm here to help you show the best version of yourself. Come give me an opportunity and transform your lives. Thank you.